What's up guys, Dora speaking and welcome back to another Funimate tutorial. For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you the new group layers update with the Funimate update. Now we're going to go straight to Funimate, and as you can see right here, this layer button, you're going to click it and group is going to be added at the bottom. It has a new symbol next to it. And as you can see, it's exactly like the editing screen, except it doesn't have clips. The clips are down here, but when you go to group, you can't add clips. Now it's the same, you can add text, images, and videos in shape. It's basically another editing screen to add another edit thing to your video without having to quit off your edit, make a new edit, download it, then come back and upload it again. Now to show you more how this works, I'm going to do a simple transition just to show you it's just like editing, just without clips. Now I'm going to be editing Charlie. I'm going to do these two pictures, so I'm going to do a simple transition. I'm just going to do a slide. I'm going to do the top one to go to the left. And then I'm going to duplicate this and make the bottom one go to the opposite side. Now as you can see, I just edited a really simple slide. And when I click done, it's kind of like a clip screen. There's the slide, and I'm going to make this a bit smaller. Maybe about that big. Then I'm going to duplicate this, and the one behind it, I'm going to expand it full screen and fade it a bit. Then I'm going to edit it, and for here, I basically want it to go the opposite direction. Then I'm going to delete this other one, duplicate this so it's going the same way. Now as you can see, that's a transition. I'm gonna add a short overlay. Now for here, you just have to put screen or add to blend it. I'm going to put add so it's a little brighter. Now this is just a simple transition with it using group layers. Now as you can see, this looks like a video I previously edited before and just uploaded onto here as a video. But instead, all you had to use was group layers, so you don't have to quit off and edit it separately. All I did was edit it on the editing screen. I didn't have to leave. And it worked out perfectly fine, and it's also smooth. Anyways, I hope this tutorial helped you understand group layers a bit better, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something from it, or want to see more, please consider subscribing.